it's Ariana. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, it is in the middle of our Christmas videos. So I am going to be doing a Christmas kind of clown. I have a couple of clowns that I want to do for this series, but I'm going to try to do this one. I think it's really cute. I found it on Pinterest. You guys can't really see, so I'll post a photo right here of the reference photo I'm going to go off of. And for today's video, I'm actually going to dabble into the James Charles Unleash Your Inner Artist palette with Morphe, and I'm really excited because I have not played with it yet or touched it. So I will do a review on this palette in the future. At the moment, I'm in the middle of Christmas videos, so I am not doing that today, but this is what the palette looks like, and I'm incredibly excited to start playing with it. I really want to play with the greens and the reds that are in this palette, and that's what I'm going to focus on today. So for today's video, I'm going to do an eye look, a red and green eye look, of course. So you guys are already zoomed in enough. So I'm going to go in with my Made You Look brush by the company Made You Look. She's on YouTube. She's really amazing. Her name is Lex, and I'm using her blender brush, one of her dual-ended brushes, and I'm going to go into one of these reds. So I want red all over the lid, so I'm going to go into the color, I think the color is Mary, and I'm just going to put that all over my crease. So on the lid portion, I am going to go into You're Kidding. Alright, so for the eyes, I'm going to do a liner. I'm going to go in with my Sex Kitten liner by Tarte and just do a wing, a little bit different than what she's got going on. So I think I'm going to go in with a black pencil. So this is the just black eyeliner that I have from Rimmel, and I am going to draw my little triangles underneath my eyes. So I've done a clown before on my channel and it was pink. So this time we're going to do green. We're going to stick with Christmas colors. This is why I wish I had a green liner, but I do not. So I'm gonna go in with a bigger brush, and I'm just gonna go in with a bright green, and I'm gonna try to fill in that black area. So I have my green Christmas clowny eyes. So now what I want to do next, because I'm just kind of going off of this photo, she didn't do this underneath her eyes. I'm just kind of trying to take inspiration from what she did. I am going to try and do what I did for Jack, which was the collar. So this is going to be fun again. Yep, good enough. And this liner is so hard to get off. Good job, Rimmel. Make such a solid black liner that fucks me over. You guys can see what I'm doing. I just did 3 little things. So I'm gonna go and fill in all of the colors. So I'm gonna go green, red, green. So I'm using the same green that I did for my under eyes. Alright, so now that that is done, I may go in and just clean up the lines a little bit with some makeup remover, attempt to. So now, because we're sticking to this clowny kind of theme, I want to do my eyebrows. I think I'm going to do my eyebrows red. So what I'm going to go into is, I'm going to go back into the James Charles palette, and I'm going to go in with the Made You Look little taper brush, and I'm going to go back into that red color. And I'm going to make my brows red. They're not coming as red as I want, so I'm going to go in with Jeffree Star's Red Rum. So because Jeffree's lipstick is a little bit, has like a pink undertone to it, I'm gonna go back into the James Charles palette and I'm gonna go back into that red color. I'm not overly worried about how clean they are just because we are a clown, so it doesn't really matter. The next thing that I want to do is I want to draw little balls on the bottom of my eyes. They're so cute, oh my god. And I want to draw on a green nose. Now of course, as you guys all know, I love glitter, so I am going to use the glitter glue by NYX, and I'm just going to put some on my hand, and I'm going to put that all over my nose. And then of course, I'm going to go in with some glitter all over my nose. I'm going to go in with the glitter glue on the red balls, doing the exact same thing with the nose, but instead of green glitter, it is red glitter. So now I want to do a kind of a clowny red lipstick. So I'm going to do Jeffree Star's Red Rum again. I'm going to put a little bit of glitter on them as well, just to tie the whole look together. So I'm going to go in with some glitter glue again and go in with some of that red glitter. Now I want to go in with some eyeliner just underneath, just to bring in the eyes more together, and I did throw some lashes on. So now the last thing that I want to do for my eyes is I'm going to go back into that James Charles palette and I'm going to go into a eyeshadow brush like so, and I'm going to go into the color Social Blade, which is a green. And I'm just going to go over top of the paint underneath my eyes. And I think that is my finished clown. So I'm going to go throw on a weird wig and probably just leave my eyes brown because they don't really need to be anything crazy because it's just a clown. So this is the finished look. So this is my finished Christmas clown. I wish I had a red spiral curly wig like this, but unfortunately I only have a pink one. But I still think that pink goes with the Christmassy kind of vibe that I'm going for here in my little Santa hat. Just makes it all the better. So I do think this look turned out really cool. I think it's really fun and it's really festive, and I'm really, really glad that I did it. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys did enjoy this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more content like this. I hope you guys are enjoying my 25 days of Christmas, and I will see you guys at my next video. Bye!